Hello, my friends. Welcome to Luovita's show. This is a show about lifestyle attitude, online venture, and blogging, and how to leave a legacy that you will be remembered about. So, in this episode, I will present you to do or not to do. This is the internal dilemma. So, how is it that some people seem to have enough time to do everything that they want to, and others are always rushing from one task to another? So, since we all have 24 hours a day, um, why do some people achieve so much more on their time than others? Well, the answer lies in time management. So, since time is a commodity that we always need but rarely have enough of, we need to work smarter, not harder, to get more done in less time. So, working smarter will not only increase our productivity, but also it will gives us plenty of time to relax and enjoy life. And this is the beauty of time management. Now, how can you become more productive and optimize time? Well, by simply making a to-do list. And if you don't have one, you better start today. In this era of technological renaissance, we have an electronic resource called internet, where we get bombarded with all kinds of information. And to make it even worse, our fast-paced world contributes little in this whirlwind, leaving us with an attention span like that of ants. So, therefore, it is very important to create a to-do list and to keep a virtual and visual record of the fact that each moment is valuable. So a list task will make you more focused, keep you on track all the time, will help you concentrate more on the task at hand, and thereby will you make also more productive. So it does not matter how you prefer to do it, as long as you do it. Desktop or laptop, pen or paper, whichever way you are comfortable in, provided it's ultimately working for you. So personally, for example, I use Mac. I print sometimes a hard copy of my day's appointment, and I prefer to do a list. I have reminders, notes, and you can tick them. And this not only gives me some flexibility, but also keep me focused. I don't have to remember, just go over it. And the great thing about this reminders and notes is that it only takes a few minutes to set up, and it's all synchronized over Mac. That means iPhone, iPad, MacBook Pro, Air, iMac. So this to-do list are both for my business as well as my personal life, So if our brain, for example, determines that what needs to be done in order of priority, at the very beginning of the day, I subconsciously relax. Why? Because everything is pointed out and the brain does not have to worry about rushing from one task to another, which only makes more stressful, Give your brain a reward for sticking to your to-do list. Pick your favorite color, and when you complete a task, put a tick, and your brain will then start to associate the color with success. And within 30 days, for example, you will look forward to completing your task for the color reward. And you will also become more organized, and you will actually look forward to adding more tasks to your to-do list, to perform them in extra time you have freed up, for example. So your productivity will increase as well as your success. Yes, and there is an example when Brutus asked, tu brute, he should have replied, you bet, I wouldn't be caught dead without my task list. So, okay. Thank you very much for tuning in, Feel free to visit us on our website luovita.com and subscribe to one of our 3 flagship courses. You will also find very special personal development courses in German, French, and Portuguese. So they will truly make you think and will make you advance in life. And in the show notes below, you find the links to the website and resources I mentioned. We are also in social media, and don't forget to subscribe to our podcast in iTunes, Stitcher, or SoundCloud. So thank you again for tuning in, and please rate and review the show and share it with your family and friends. Take care. Jose.